Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Nursery Rhymes and Lessons. Hello, little learners. Today we have 4 amazing rhymes that will teach us fun lessons. 1. Little bird. Look at the girl in the blue dress. She sees a little bird hopping near the window. Let's singing the poem together.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew.
Lesson. Birds are free. We should watch them, but not try to catch them. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Look at Mary. She has a beautiful garden with flowers and smiling maids. Let's singing the poem together.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
What is she doing? She is watering her plants. Lesson. If we take care of plants, they grow big and beautiful. Wash the dishes. Look at the boy and girl in the kitchen. They are washing dishes together. Let's singing the poem together.
Wash the dishes, wipe the dishes, ring the bell for tea. 3 good wishes, 3 good kisses I will give to thee.
What are they doing? The boy dries the plates and the girl washes them. Teamwork makes the job fun. Lesson. Helping at home is important. Let's help our parents in small ways. 4. See a pin. Oh look, the girl in the yellow top found a pin on the ground. Let's singing the poem together.
See a pin and pick it up. All the day you'll have good luck. See a pin and let it lay. Bad luck you'll have all the day.
What should we do? If we see something small and sharp, we should pick it up so no one gets hurt. Lesson. Be responsible and keep the ground clean and safe. Wow, we learned so much today. Be kind to animals. 2. Take care of plants. 3. Help at home. 4. Keep the ground safe. Great job, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.